You need a compass and a pencil, a ruler of any size, a few dotting tools. If you don't have dotting tools, you can use different size of brushes, toothpicks, and earbuds as well. And you need a few acrylic colors. Shades are of your choice. Okay, I'll do that. Hi everyone. So we are going to have a Dot Mandala session today, and we are going to create a small piece. Okay, and I'm going to include as many patterns as I can in that, because we just have 1 hour. So we are going to make a small piece over here. I'm using this Zen Sangam black sketchbook in size A4. The papers are pretty thick, and I think this can hold acrylics really well. So I'm going to use this. Whatever size of paper you have, anything would do. Okay. So we are going to divide the paper diagonally so we can find the center. Okay. So I have got my center over here. If you want, you can erase the lines. Okay. Just fix your pencil. And draw circles. I'm not taking any measurement. You can draw on your own, whatever size you want. You have made 7 circles, no particular measurements. Take your time and make 7 circles. Just give a thumbs up when you are done so I can start with the next step.
Just a minute.
Yeah, sure. Hi, hi. Should I start?
Yes, Prabha, you can go ahead. We'll be sharing a recording of this workshop anyway, so in case anybody needs to catch up, they can do it at their own pace later.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Pratna. Uh, okay, so we are making a grid now. Okay. I think we'll go without any measurements. So I'm just going to divide the circle into quadrants. That's 4. 6. And 8. Yeah, 8 quadrants. Okay. Now we are going to start with the color part. I have white acrylic with me. Okay. We're just going to use this for the center. I'm using this tool of mine, the bigger side. Okay. I think if you are not having these dotting tools, you can even use size 12 of your brush, the back side of size 12 of your brush. Okay. I'm just going to make a center like this. Okay. And now I'm using this green tool of mine, the thicker side. Okay. And we are going to make 8 dots on these lines. You can dip directly into the paint bottle as well. Or if you want to use a palette, that's your choice completely. But I prefer directly dipping in paint bottle because when I take out the paint in the palette, there are chances that I waste it. So I prefer either the paint bottle or I take out some of the paint in the cap, the lid of the bottle, and I use that. So it's totally up to your convenience that you take a palette or use directly from the bottle. Yeah. So next step is I'm going to use lemon yellow now. Okay. And you can use pouring medium. If you don't have pouring medium, 2 to 3 drops of water would do to make the paint thinner. I'm using acrylics. These are flash paint acrylics. Okay. To make the color thinner, you can use either pouring medium, or if you don't have pouring medium, just add 3 to 4 drops of water in a little amount of paint that you want to use. That would do your work. I think Itsy Bitsy has a pouring medium that does good job. So you can use that. And there are variety of those available on Amazon. You can use any of those. I use the one which I get in my local stationery. So I actually don't use any branded pouring medium. That one actually works fine for me. So you can use any, whichever you get near you. Okay, so I'm using again this green tool that I used to make the second circle. And I'm using lemon yellow. We are going to mark the dots alternatively now in between these two yellow ones, like this. Okay. Now we are moving to the next step. I'm going to use a little bigger tool, this one. And whoever doesn't have these dotting tools for the second circle, the white ones, you can use your size 2 size brush. Okay. And for this one, you can either use the number 4 or number 3, whichever you get in your set. You can use those. Okay. And for this circle, you can use your number 8 size brush. Okay. I'm using the bigger one. If you have this tool, I'm using this, the bigger, thicker side. And I'm using golden yellow. So we are going to make dots now again on these lines. Make sure you have ample amount of paint in your dotting tool or whatever tool that you are using, brushes, toothpick, earbuds. Okay. So you make your dot fluffier. Now I'm taking this tool of mine, the blue one, and I'm using the thicker side. Okay. I'm using lemon yellow. And we are going to make a dot on the top of this circle. A small tiny dot. Okay. And now we are going to continue this in form of petal. Like this. You have to dip your dotting tool in paint once and you have to continuously mark dots. Like this. It's going to look something like this. If you have any questions, you can keep popping them in the chat box and I'll be answering them. Now with the same tool again, we are going to take this golden yellow shade of ours and we are going to make another petal around this only. It's slightly watery. Acrylics are not watery actually. If your acrylics are watery, there is a chance that they have gone bad. Okay, because acrylics are thick. So you have to add water to make them a little watery. Or if the water is floating above your can or box of paint, just shake it and see if that goes thicker. I'm going to put a dot again on top. You can use the shades of your choice. There is no compulsion at all. I think you should change your paints then. Try another company, okay? Because I think they have gone bad. Acrylics are not watery at all. I have like bought 4 sets of sets till now, and I use flash paints only. Um it's a chance that they have gone bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the petals again. Okay, I hope it's clear to you guys. Now we are going to move to our next step. Okay, we are using another color now. I'm taking orange. And we are going to make a big I am going to make a big dot over here. And then I'm going to use this thinnest tool of mine. Okay. And we are going to spread the paint like this. It's going to look something like this. We are going to take a little bit of paint again. And we are going to make dots on either sides of these. Like this. And we have to spread it again. So you have to continue this pattern till the end. Okay, we are moving on to the next step. I'm taking crimson red. And I'm going to make a big dot again. Now again, I'm going to make a small dot on top of this with my lemon yellow. And we are going to make petals again.
Excuse me, what was this color?
This was lemon yellow.
Thank you.
On to the next shade, we are taking golden yellow. And we are going to make this petal again. Like this. Okay, I'm just making two of these. And you have to complete the whole in the same design. I am going to make a third petal also with orange. Like this. You can see how the shades are complementing each other with okay, this is going to look something like this particular pattern. You have to make a big dot over here in red